Well, here we go in early June. Look over the yard. The kale is doing well. So are the pink roses. They're just gorgeous. They're very pinkish. And here's the rose bush they're growing on. They're about 6 feet high, so for me that's hard to get them, but I can prune them. And they're just so beautiful this year, so flush. I have a secret, but I'm not telling it. Guess who's in the front yard? I don't think it's Peter Rabbit, but you know. Here, buddy. You're a little late for Easter, but here's a bunny in our front yard.